Actually, we just released a whole album na, so I would consider it's something about the famous production. I think this is the first time that I'm producing a concert on tour. So it's very, very exciting. It's something that the fans have been, experiences for us. So it's very new for us. Although it's very risky, it's but we are, 100% comfortable full of smoothly. Basta,
Kailangan nila na kasi sigurado kinabukasan natin ng boses.
si Josh yan eh. Magkamayo na si Josh yan.
What can you promise
Kung
them?
isn't allowed to share, pero sabi ko ako lang mas hindi. I think kung sinobra ka, I think yung length ng show somehow is very worth it ng binayad nila. I mean, production pa lang, sabi namin sobrang busog na. Pero with the performance of na-excite na sila eh. Pero with the performance na talagang ni-ready namin, I think doon pa lang, sabi namin it's really worth it. Kasi kung skill talaga yung mag-usapan, this is something na too much na for us, na kahit kami sa rehearsal, grabe, andito pa lang tayo, hindi ko pa natapos, halfway pa lang pala. So parang medyo nasa ganun na kami ngayon. Pero masasabi namin na it's something na we really prepared for and talagang pinaghandaan namin na team na ma-present sa inyo ng sobrang deserve nyo yung ganitong klaseng show. And with this big scale talaga, we will give more, and for sure, mas more pa sa mga.
Of course, we have beavers also.
Yeah.
So sometimes
Lahat ng